In the last few weeks, we've seen a ton of Yeezys come out from Adidas, the most recent one being the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. The latest 700, if I'm not mistaken, is the teal blue. And prior to that, we had the hospital blue and a bunch of 350s as well. But today, we're actually going to review a Yeezy 700 that didn't come out here in the Philippines. It was just a release via Yeezy Supply online. Today, we're going to unbox and review the Yeezy 700 Magnet. Before anything, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of giveaways ongoing, including a Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone with the smart band and the true wireless earphones. Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community. The link to the giveaway can be found down below. Good luck. So this is the box of the Yeezy 700 Magnet, which is your typical Yeezy 700 box. Nothing too special. Brown carton, 700 written at the top, Yeezy details here on the side, and the shoe details here on the opposite end. It says here Yeezy Boost 700, size 12, magnet for the colorway. I actually picked this up from one of our favorite local reseller shops, Cop Garden. It was a bit pricey at more than 20,000. I think it was 25 or almost 30. So definitely pricey. I think it was kind of overpriced if you ask me. But hey, sometimes you have to pay premium, especially for sneakers that don't, actually release here in the Philippines, especially if they just came out and you want to buy them. This box has actually been at home for several weeks now, and I just got to doing the review now because we're here at Hyatt for our staycation. So this is the Yeezy 700 Magnet, and you're probably thinking, Carlo, it looks a whole lot like the Yeezy 700 OG Wave Runner. But don't think that's the case, because the only thing similar really is the midsole with the orange pop and then the gum sole for the outsole. The upper is actually very distinctly different. The gray on the OG one is a bit lighter. It also had green. This one is literally mono gray. Well, there are actually 3 shades of gray if you want to count. You have this really dark suede gray over here. The mesh gray here is a little bit more on the metal side. And then you have that lighter gray leather patch that runs along the laces. And you have a lighter version of gray as well of suede here at the heel part. You have the reflective material, of course, here. Those 2 dots on the lateral and the medial side. So yeah, this is the Yeezy 700 Magnet. Now, what are the things to note about this sneaker? First up, it is actually easier to wear because there is no elastic band on the tongue. That elastic band first came out, if I'm not mistaken, with the Mauve, with the Yeezy 700 Mauve, and that's no longer here. So the tongue is actually easier to move up and down because it's actually separated from the body of the shoe. Unlike, all the other models that have come out wherein it is really attached. It actually makes it a little bit tighter, and that's the reason why I usually go half a size up with my Yeezy 700s. But for the OG Wave Runner as well as the Magnet, I can actually go true to size at size 12. Second thing you need to know about this is that in terms of style, it strikes the balance between being both subtle with a little bit of pop because of the midsole. When I say subtle, just by taking a look at the upper, you guys can already tell that it's mostly plain gray. So it kind of blends in easily to whatever it is that you want to wear for the day. But they did a good job of not making it all gray by breaking the monotony with the white midsole. And of course, that loud pop of orange, which for me is like the color of the year. That's why my watch is orange. That's why I have a lot of stuff that's orange, because I kind of love orange for 2019. And that's actually one of the reasons why I ended up picking this one up as well. That pop of orange mixed with the grays and the white just looked really nice. Actually, this one is put more of an emphasis because everything else is so dull. But anyway, so that's the second thing you need to know about it. Easier to style, subtle with a little bit of pop because of the orange like accent on the midsole. And the last thing you need to know about it is, just like all other Yeezy 700s, they're kind of comfortable to wear. I mean, they're not the most comfortable bulky dad shoe that you can buy, but they're definitely one of the bester one. That's like a new word, best plus better. They're one of the better ones. So you can probably wear this for several hours, but if you are, you know, running up and down the airport or traveling and clocking in like over 20,000 steps a day, you might, well, it's not might, you will feel the foot fatigue on this one, because at the end of the day, it is a chunky sneaker. It's not made for like, you know, like a running shoe, which is built really for cushioning and performance. I mean, it has boost for the outsole, which you can see over there, but that thick outsole, the rubber brown outsole, actually minimizes the cushioning effect. At least that's what I think. And that's how I feel with the 700s. But perhaps the best thing about this sneaker is the fact that it's not readily available here in the Philippines. There are so many Yeezys right now, so many people wearing Yeezys, and being able to wear Yeezys like this, which didn't have like a wide release locally, an official release locally, makes it a little bit more unique, a little bit different, makes you stand out more. So that's probably the reason why I couldn't resist pulling the trigger on this shoe. If you want to buy one, best bet would be to go to local reseller shops or IG stores. You can hit up Cop Garden, Shoe Game Manila, Got Goods, all the different local reseller shops, Feed Your Feet Manila, of course, Foot Soldier, Shoe Freak PH, and ask if they have it in your size. For the price, just reference it to StockX. So check how much they're selling it on StockX, and if the price they're selling for is lower or approximate, then that should be good. So pull the trigger, buy one, rock it. Chances are there are not a lot of people here in the Philippines who will have the Yeezy 700 Magnet. And before we end the vlog, guys, I made a playlist of all of my Yeezy reviews. So if you want to watch all of them, the link to the playlist can be found down below, as well as somewhere here on the screen. That includes my review for one of their latest, which is the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision. Check it out, watch all the videos, all of my Yeezy reviews. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our short vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.